What's going on, guys? I'm currently getting ready to go to the store because I need some milk for my cereal, and we don't have any because my sisters drank the rest of it. Oh. Good morning, Mama. Good morning. Hello, how are you?
Good, how are you?
You want me to go get the milk?
Go get the milk, boy.
Okay, girl.
Go milk the cow.
We're going to get the milk. We ain't got no cow.
Go milk the cow, boy.
Are you crazy?
Go milk the cow.
No, we ain't got a cow. Time to go. There's my baby. Yeah. Hey guys, so here at the store, I'm gonna go in, maybe film a little bit. I don't know, but we'll see. So we got two goods we need to get. One is milk and one is dish soap. So I think I found one of them. So, which one we gonna get? 2%, whole milk. 2%, or whole milk. You do drink the yeah. And I just found the second good right here. Don't know which one to get. This one, this one, this one, this one, this one. She wanted Dawn, but she wanted a little bottle. So I'll get purple. No, I'm gonna get blue because that's my favorite color. Let's go back home. Okay guys, I'm gonna go back inside. I'm gonna eat. I don't know what I'm gonna be doing the rest of the day, but we will find out. So let's go. Okay guys, I'm gonna just run inside and see what their reaction is. So let's go. I got what you wanted!
Oh gosh. Nobody cares. Thank you.
Oh, that was great. Hey puppy. Hello. What are you doing?
Here's our coupon. It's
I don't like you either. Look at that dorky face.
It's a $50 purchase, you get this.
Ew.
Stop!
Bruh, look at this dude. Wait till you see the. No, 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 no. Look at the top of his head. Look at his lips.
Get that off of me!
Ew. As I'm making my cereal, and then I need to go with this. Yeah. Good job.
Don't forget to subscribe at
Preston Vlogs. We had another rollback scene. That's right here. Okay, go. Okay. Time to go get some Frosties and Wendy's. Let's go. Yeah.
thank you.
How's your Frosty? Is your Frosty good?
Oh, my Frosty is off the chain. Blinging.
Are y'all Frosty's good? Is your
Why is that one?
my Frosty's good. Thank you, Wendy's. Picking it. Taking this Pepsi truck, guys. Ooh, Pepsi. Pepsi. Taking the Pepsi truck. Oh yeah. We're getting a freaking Pepsi truck. Okay, time to bring it where we're going. Let's go.
Huh?
Thanks, man. Yeah.
Thank you so much for watching, guys. Really appreciate you stopping by. Hope you enjoyed the vlog. And remember to, hold on. Hey, Dad, hold on. Hey, what do my viewers need to do? What do they need to do at the end of this video?
Subscribe
And
like, comment.
yeah!
Yeah!
Say them all together.
What?
Say them all together.
Subscribe, comment, like, boom.
Dab on them.
Ugh.
I got a condo in Manhattan.